Diet. We need to eat food to stay alive, to enable the body to grow and repair itself and to provide energy. There are 7 nutrients that help us do that: proteins, water, vitamins and minerals, fats, carbohydrates, and fibre. Carbohydrates. There's 2 types of carbohydrates. Firstly, there's complex carbohydrates, which are a slow-release energy provider, and they're more stable. They can be found in bread, pasta, and whole grain cereals. Then we have simple carbohydrates. These are a faster release in energy, but they're less stable, and can be found in cakes and anything with a high sugar content. Carbohydrate loading. Carbohydrate loading is when you eat lots of carbohydrates, maybe 3 days before a race, which will increase the glycogen levels in the muscles. Marathon runners would use this to maintain their performance in the later stages of a race, when maybe they're feeling a bit fatigued. Proteins are there to help the body repair cells and make new ones. They're important for growth and development and can be found in meats. A high protein diet will be used by a sprinter and weightlifters that eat lots of proteins to bulk up, which will help increase strength and power. Fats. Fats are important for fast release energy and also warmth. They can be used as an insulator to keep us warm. Fats can be found in dairy products such as butter and cheese. Fibre. Fibre is needed to help keep the digestive system healthy. It prevents constipation and may reduce the risk of bowel cancer. It is found in bread, pasta, cereals and brown rice. Water. This is the most essential nutrient because humans can last weeks without food but only 4 days without water. Water helps regulate the body temperature because sweat evaporates on the surface of the skin and cools it down. If we don't have enough water, we become dehydrated. Vitamins and minerals. These help the body work, helps us concentrate, and they can be found in many different fruits and vegetables. There's certain vitamins and minerals you need to be aware of. The first one is vitamin A. This helps us with our vision. Secondly, we have vitamin C. This is to help keep the skin healthy. Too little can cause scurvy, which results in bleeding gums, pain in the joints and bruising. Then we have vitamin D. This is to help keep the bones and teeth healthy. Too little can cause rickets. This is when someone becomes bow-legged because the bones fail to harden. Minerals. First mineral you need to know about is calcium. This helps strengthen the bones. Then we have iron. Iron prevents fatigue. A person can become anemic if they have too little iron. Energy requirements. The amount of food people need differs according to age, gender, and physical activity levels. Teenagers need more energy than babies. Babies and teenagers need more energy than OAPs. And all 3 of those categories need more energy than someone that sits at a desk all day long. The more active your lifestyle, the more calories you're going to need. However, it is important to balance the food you eat with the amount of exercise. Otherwise, you could become overweight or underweight. Obese is when someone is severely overweight, and anorexic is when someone is severely underweight. Ideally, you want to find somewhere in between.